So, this is my camping area. Right behind me is my camping tent. That right there is the fire pit. That right there is my tent. That right there is where I'm going fishing. It's a little windy. Right now I'm taking a break, eating stuff to eat. Chicken for right now. I packed full of stuff in the ice chest. It's full of ice, water. My soda's in the front seat. Alright guys, I want to show you guys something that I have been wanting to do for a long while. Well, if you noticed behind me, there's a lot of hill. And I'll show you a little bit more here in a few seconds. So, I'll be right back. Alright, I don't think I need anything to explain. Yeah, that right there is a fish indicator. That's right there. That's my other fish indicator. It's hanging by the line and then swinging in the wind. And this is where I'm at. Isn't she pretty? This is Lake Success. And loving every minute of it. I think I picked a pretty good spot, even though I'm not catching anything. Haven't even gotten a bite yet. But this is where I'm at. And I hope it comes out and turns out pretty good, but we'll see. I'll be right back. After the sun goes down. Oh, well, it's actually really nice outside right now. Wait, look at that. Isn't she pretty? She's pretty. Well, I'll do a recap here in a few minutes. So, you guys can see what kind of nice area that I picked out. But a horrible one, because that right there is a sewage. Not cool, Scott. Not cool. So, alright. I'll be right back. Ow, and this pain in the butt. So, oh well. I want to make the best of it. Hello and good afternoon. Guess what? I'm camping. And I'm very happy. Here's a little check of where I'm at. So, doing good. Not very many people here. I guess they don't like it over here. I'm the only idiot. If you notice, I don't have a hangover. You notice this over there? That is the hangover for recreation and camping spots. I'm the only idiot that doesn't have one. I have a flags thing, right? Whatever it's for. I don't know what it's for, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go fishing after I eat and rest for a little bit. All right, guys. All right. It's about a few minutes later. If you guys don't think something always happens when I go fishing, well, there's always something that goes on. Right in front of me, right behind me, along this area, is a chopper. Something going on. So, Oh well. And I have no cell phone research. I'm not going to be able to do a vlog anytime soon. So I'm going to go fishing after I eat. Alright guys, I'll see you guys here in a few. So I've spent the better part of my day just relaxing and fishing. But didn't catch anything, so I'm back at my tent and I'm resting for a little bit. It's been quite a long day, so this is the way that camping should be. Resting and relaxing and just taking a chill pill. So, alright guys, I'll be right back. And now, day one has ended with a campfire that took me 15 minutes to build. And this is what I got out of it. So, in that fact, what a great day. And still, it's still daylight. Kinda. So, that's what the ending looks like. So, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. I know there's a fire, and I know I said it was going to be the end of the night, but you see that little lights right there? They belong to a luxurious fifth wheels and campers and RVs. The lights right here, they have loud music. These people here, they're loud too. That right there, right there, is the bathroom. So, while my fire dies down, I'm waiting for it to die out so I can go lay down and go to sleep. So, end of day one, great. Let's see if I can catch some fish tomorrow morning. So, we'll see. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm burnt. My arms are burnt. So, and I got a nasty bruise on my leg and my shin, so I'll tell you about that tomorrow. Alright guys, be right back. Hey, what's going on guys? I'm doing pretty good. I went down and went fishing, but there was too many people. So I'm sitting here just relaxing and enjoying the peaceful day that that I enjoy doing. So yeah, nothing's been going on except for this guy over here. I'll give me 1 second. I'll be right back. You see him? There you go. There he goes. He's flying. And here's what I'm looking at. Just watching the people and watching the boats and just enjoying life. You know, I just wish my wife was here. Pretty boring. But when I go fishing, it's not really boring. So I'm not gonna go fishing right now. I put everything up so I don't have to put everything back in the truck tomorrow. So all I have to do is pack up my my toilet, my little cot, and my sleeping bag, and my air mattress, and then also the tent, of course. So it's been really nice. It's been very nice. So this is what it looks like, if you guys didn't know. So my truck is right over there, so it's been quite a day. So, oh, and if you're looking for the mountains are over there. They still have snow on top. So, especially that one, right? Alright guys, flash forward a little bit. Today is Sunday. I had to come home early yesterday due to the fact that I fell and I slipped on some rocks. And a bruise right there someplace. But I'm okay. I skinned up my knee, have a bruise on my leg, and I did a little bit of something to my ankle. But I'm not limping, I'm doing great. And I had a great time camping and fishing. Don't get me wrong, it was an awesome, awesome time. I got a tan, and not on my leg, not on my legs, no tan on my legs, not one bit, because I was wearing long pants. I got a burn on my back of my neck. I am so happy that I went fishing. I went fishing for 2 days. So, 2.5 days. So, caught one small one, had to throw it back. No big deal. And doing great. So, I'm at home. I'm, and there's a couple of other things that was kind of fishy. Then something did happen when I was up there. Did not involve me. So I decided to come home early because there was too much shenanigans up there. I mean, too much crap that was going on. So I came home. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll do better vlogs next time around. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, as always. And have a great night. Have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to leave a comment. And I will be going camping at a different place very soon. Have a great day.